We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hi guys, it's that festive period of the year, it's that time of the year for celebration, for parties, for enjoyment, for dinners, for family gathering. So on today's video, I'll be giving you different kind of gifts in which you can give to your friends, to your family members, to your sisters. Basically, I'll be giving you 10 different gifts in which you can donate to a friend, to a lady. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. Welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES, and I noticed I always greet people who are you and I don't greet those who are old. sorry. My old subscribers, you are welcome. You're most welcome to this new video, and you're already comfortable though. You're already comfortable because this is your home, this is your space. So yeah. So guys, on today's video, I'll be giving you 10 different kind of gifts in which you can give to a lady, and 10 different kind of Christmas gifts, to be precise, in which you can give to a lady. If you are interested in this kind of video, just keep on watching. Christmas is that season of the year whereby there is love, there is joy, happiness. Basically, that's Christmas for me. And on this video, I'll be giving you different ideas on the kind of gifts you can donate to a lady. The first gift you can donate to a lady, to a friend, to your wife, to your girlfriend, to your sister, to any lady. The first gift we have on our list are personalized jewelries. Gifting someone any gift, not just for Christmas. You want a gift that whenever that person sees that gift, that person is going to remember you, because you are giving that gift out of love, out of kindness, out of happiness. Okay, so on my first list we have personalized jewelries. These personalized jewelries can carry the name of the person, can carry their company name, their website, or whatsoever. It depends on what the person likes or what the person wants, or on your own personal preference though. So you want to personalize a jewelry like a bracelet, a necklace. You want to personalize this kind of jewelry and offer it to someone, and I'm very sure whenever that person puts on that jewelry, that person will obviously remember you. And now let's move to the second kind of gift you want to offer to a lady during this Christmas season. I forgot to mention affordable gift you want to offer to a lady during this Christmas season. The second one we have a skincare set. Most ladies, if not all, you know, we always want to take care of our skin. Not just ladies, I think everybody does this, right? You want to take care of your skin, and so you want to offer this lady an affordable skincare set that will help maintain the skin, help the lady glow. When I say affordable, it doesn't mean it should just be any kind of gift, especially when it comes to skincare. You want to make sure what kind of brand you are offering to this person. Is this brand or is the skincare a good one? Because you won't want to offer something that's going to damage the skin of that person. So for the skincare set, you want to make sure, like, do all your checks to ensure that this skincare brand is a good one. Most skincare sets always include moisturizers, face masks, serums. So you want to look for affordable ones. I think one affordable one I can recommend, because that is what I have used and it worked perfectly for me, is how do they call it, Ordinary. I'm just going to put the picture somewhere here or here, any of them. Ordinary, I think, is a good skincare product because I have used it. So this is based on my experience. I've used Ordinary and I think it's a good skincare product and it is less expensive. So you want to consider brands like that are less expensive, but also they are of good quality, that can help hydrate the face, moisturize the face. Okay, so you want to go in for good skincare sets that are less expensive. One reason you might want to choose skincare set is because skincare always feels luxurious and encourages self-care. So you want to go in for stuff like that. And most of these skincare sets are always readily available in stores. In most of the stores or most of the cosmetic stores, you can be able to have this skincare set. So now let's move to the third kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this Christmas period. And the third kind of gift we have are scented candles. I feel scented candles are underestimated because they are everywhere. You can find them everywhere. But no, this is not it. Scented candles always give that feeling of cozy, of luxury, of just good feelings basically. So you want to go in for scented candles. If you're going in for scented candles, you want to opt for candles that have holiday themes such as cinnamon, vanilla. These kind of candles are very good. And also you want to go in for candles with usable jars. You know, there are some candles that you can use and you reuse the jars, so after the candle is finished you can still fill another one. So you want to go in for this kind of candles. So you want to go in for candles like this. Scented candles create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere, which is good for this season. And now we are going to move to the next kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this Christmas period. It is reusable tumblers. You want to opt for chic tumblers that carry seasonal themes or motivational quotes. You can include some extra touch by adding some packs of hot cocoa mix, tea bags, or instant coffee, so you can target budget-friendly options. This option is very good because it is practical for daily use and can use to personalize your drink. So that is it for the fourth kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this Christmas period. And now let's move to the fifth point, the fifth kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this period. The fifth kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this period are cozy accessories. Cozy accessories such as scarves, gloves, fuzzy socks are also another good gift idea you can offer to a lady during this period, because these accessories are cozy and thoughtful and they are perfect during this period since it's a winter period. Christmas normally is a winter period, so these accessories are perfect during this period. And now let's move to the next one, which is the sixth kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this Christmas period. And we have journals or planners, a perfect gift you can give to a lady during this period. You can go for journals that have motivational quotes or aesthetic covers, and you can also pair them with a pen or a marker. These kind of gifts are great for women who love organization or creative writing. It is practical yet thoughtful, encouraging productivity and reflection. Now we are going to move to the seventh point, the seventh kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this period. The seventh kind of gift we have on our list are DIY spa kit. You can assemble a spa kit with affordable items such as body scrub, loafers, or essential oils. Use a small basket or festive gift box for packaging, and you can include a handwritten note with relaxation guide for personal touch. So we are going to move to the next kind of gift you can offer to a lady, and the next kind of gift we have on our list are compact makeup kits. Mini makeup kits are ideal for those ladies that are beauty enthusiasts. So if you have a friend or a lady who is also a beauty enthusiast, you can offer a makeup kit. A mini makeup set can include lip gloss set, travel size eyeshadow palette, or nail polish collection. This works perfectly well because they are this works perfectly that you see that noise is very annoying. So as we were saying, this makeup set, they works perfectly well because they are compact and versatile. Makeup kits are exciting for women who love to experiment with their looks. And now let's move to the next point, which are plants. You can also gift a plant during this Christmas season to a lady. Plants symbolizes growth and positivity and can also brighten any space. So you also want to gift a plant as a gift during this period. And you can go in for plants such as succulents or peace lilies. You can also add decorative pots or festive wraps to make the gift look extra special. And why not add a handwritten instruction on how they can be able to take care of that plant. So guys, that's the ninth kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this period. And the last kind of gift you can offer to a lady during this Christmas period are DIY recipes in jars. This one is perfect for women who love cooking, who love being in the kitchen basically. So you can offer them this kind of gift. In that jar, you can layer dry ingredients on how to make cookies, brownies, or hot chocolate. Decorate the jar with a ribbon and add a tag which contains instructions. This works perfectly well because homemade food are heartfelt unique. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me what kind of gift would you want to choose on this list. Also tell me what kind of gift will you include that is not mentioned in this 10 kind of gift which you can offer for a lady. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.